Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to invite someone to your Loom account. So reasons why you may want to do this was because me in particular, I needed to actually invite someone to my Loom account so that they were able to download videos. Before, I would always have to download the videos myself and then upload them to a Google Drive and then send it over to a coworker. But now, if you actually invite them to your Loom account and give them the right privileges, they'll actually be able to download a Loom video. So in order to actually invite someone to your Loom space, what you want to do is log onto your Loom account. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to see this button called Invite Teammates. So if you click on Invite Teammates, this is where you can actually invite their emails via Slack, Google. On the right-hand side here, you can see the type of membership that you want to give them. There's an admin membership, is a creator membership, and a creator light free membership. So with that, you do have to keep in mind that admins and creators, those privileges are able to download videos, and creator lights are not able to download videos. So once you actually type in their email, you just want to send the invite, and then keep in mind again the type of membership that you're giving access to this individual. It does make a difference, and you do want to be mindful as far as a creator, for example, can record unlimited videos, an admin can actually manage the workspace, and then a creator light can record 25 videos up to 5 minutes each. And so with that, this is how I was able to actually go ahead and allow someone to download a Loom video so that I just wouldn't have to go through all the nuances and steps of actually having someone or me actually downloading the videos myself and then sending it over to a coworker, for example. But that is how you invite someone to your Loom account. If you're looking for a different way, you could actually go and click on settings on the left-hand side as well, and then click on your workspace. And then if you click on members, here is where you could actually see all your invited team members as well onto your Loom account. So you can see right now there's only one admin, who is me, and then how many creators I have, and then how many creator lights are actually in the workspace as well. So if you highlight over the I information icon, you can see again the privileges that are allowed by this specific role: admin, creators, and creator lights. Just keep in mind again that admins and creators, they are able to download Loom videos, but you do have to pay extra for them, okay? You do need to pay to actually have them create videos or download videos for you. So Creator Lite, if you invite someone to a Creator Lite account, that is a free version, so you won't have to worry about that as far as increasing your monthly costs on Loom Go. But if you know of a better way to actually invite your teammates or coworkers to Loom, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one.